Yo, this kill a zebra.
Oh, that was weak. Sorry. Hey. My pixelated.
Yeah, hold on. I'm hold on.
That's Gabby. My competition, which is worth nothing.
Ooh, ooh, shit.
That's my porch. Don't spit on my porch.
Too late.
Jesus Christ.
Random chocolate bar.
It's not chocolate, it's granola.
Get it right.
And peanut butter. I'm glad that was not mine.
That's the case, don't worry.
Yeah. Okay. I won't.
Hold on, I'm trying to get on this bar.
Have fun.
Are we going to do the burping contest or not? Because we already are like 5 minutes in. So, just kidding.
I win. I win.
Yeah, shit. Okay, Killer Zebra wins.
Wait. Dang it.
Did they see my big burp or no?
Yeah, they did.
Alright, so leave in the comments whose is better. That's not a burp, that's a cough.
That's Gabby.
Whose spit was better, bitch?
That's Gabby, and that is Killer Zebra. Oh, wait, there he goes.
I don't have a YouTube channel, so.
Yeah, I know. It's all
And
good.
don't friend me on Facebook.
And yeah, don't friend me on Facebook either. Well, you can, but don't.
Like this video is going to be popular. Okay, bye, guys.